We're back. It's nasty outside, but the work continues. I've said Offenbachers a couple of times. I am going to buy Offenbachers after this to go see if I can work out a deal. Let's see what Kiko's up to. Hello. Looks good, man. Wow. It's coming along. The pest people are coming Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a new company, so hopefully it works. Oh, I meant to say, Kiko, the floor guys are coming by like in about an hour, I think, roughly, to finish up that closet and where the laundry. So they're gonna do the floor there too.
Okay.
And then they're done. So what I'm talking about, if you didn't see the other videos, is the flooring in the laundry room and the closet. It's different than everything else, and even though they're closets, I told them they gotta do it all the way throughout. Seems minor, seems picky because the closet door is closed, but to me, when you open that up, your mind is thinking something's off. The last reaction I want anyone to have is, I wonder why they didn't put the same flooring in the closet. So I'm thinking about what I might think, jumping the gun and making sure that's not an obstacle in somebody's eye. Could be other stuff, but I want it to be something that's not controllable. Let's make it something that is in our control to change, and the things that aren't in our control we can't change. They gotta go to another unit, they gotta go to another floor, they gotta do whatever they want. But just don't want it to be something silly that kind of throws them off and makes them want to nitpick. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm off to Offenbachers to see if I can get some furniture for the outside for free. Like, you know, just a loaner. And I'm gonna give them some mentions. So it's either yes or no. I go the extra mile to make something happen. So asking is the first step. You don't ask, you don't get. So I'm gonna ask. It's nasty outside. I was just over at these townhomes with clients looking to buy a property, and when I came over here, he's gone. The parking enforcement guy was here. Now, mark my word, this is Executive Boulevard. There are parking meters on this side, right? See those parking meters? All along that street. But right here, right now, there are no parking meters. What do you think is gonna go there at some point in time in the very near future? Probably would already be there if it wasn't for COVID-19. Parking meters. Because the governments like to get their money. And I don't think that's gonna fly with them, having meters on one side and not on the other side. Just doesn't seem right. So, coming soon, more parking meters. They call it revenue, it's taxing people, but I know some of it's necessary, but come on. Leave one side and one small section of this prime area meter free, please. One of the great things about all of these condos up in this corridor, whether it be the Fallswood, Wisconsin, White Flint Station, the Gallery at White Flint, Sterling, 930 Rose, even Midtown Bethesda North, among others, but those are the prime ones. They are so close to so many things, especially grocery stores. You saw me pass the Harris Teeter, my organic market. That is my favorite spot. Then of course the Whole Foods, which is right near the Fallswood. And then you have within a quarter of a mile right here, Trader Joe's and Giant and Safeway also. And a couple of ethnic markets. So here we are. I've talked about Offenbachers enough. I gotta see if we can make something happen in here. I don't think I'm gonna have the camera on in here, so I will let you know the results when I get out. Okay. No, yes. Got to get passed off to the district manager, but I did my best. And I think the guys in there, they saw the vision. So hopefully I'll hear back. And if you see some furniture going in and out there, then that means it was a yes. All right. So we'll see you in the next video. And wherever you are, if you've been watching these, I appreciate it. And if you have any interest, obviously, in the condo, let me know. You'll be the first one to get noticed when it goes live, but you're seeing it in process right now before it gets completely ready. And wouldn't that be cool if you're the one who's living there, or somebody that you sent this to is living there? Always appreciate that, any people you point this way. So hope you enjoyed this video. Talk with you soon. See you the next day. We are fast approaching the deadline. It's always fast approaching though. So anyway, see ya. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.